Okay, in this video, two things are going to be talked about. The first of which is my app getting over 200,000 users in a very short amount of time. And the second is my new free founders community. I'm going to show you exactly what this community is and how I took it from the point of creating a logo to going ahead and setting up a fully fledged website capable of allowing people into the community for completely free, and also setting up an exclusive resource library on the website. And this video is going to be a bit different because I'm currently talking to you in the present, and we're going to jump into the past when I was on holiday, where I recorded a video in the villa I was staying at explaining the whole website that was built for the founders community. So let's talk about exactly why you clicked on this video, how my app got over 200,000 users in such a small amount of time.
Yeah, so this portion of the video was recorded a few days ago. That's why I'm saying over 200,000, when in reality we've crossed nearly over 300,000 users, which is crazy. But don't worry, the breakdown I'm going to do later in this video will give you the latest up-to-date analytics.
Now before I get into this, I documented this entire process all the way from the launch of the app up until this current point. And I purposely make my videos to be more of a story, so you can actually go back in time to the start of the story and watch how I launched the app and scaled it to the point it is now and beyond. So if you want the full context, go ahead and watch those videos. There's also tons of useful information in there, but now let's talk about where the app is at right now. At the time of recording this video, I have gotten well over 250,000 users for my app. That's all well and good saying that, but I'm actually going to break down day by day exactly how the app grew, and I'm going to give you some exclusive insights into exactly how I ramped up the growth, because I actually did break down the day by day growth in a previous video as well. So I want to show you exactly what I did to go ahead and speed up this process to grow quicker, and how you can do the same too. So let's get into it.
Okay, so let's go ahead and break down the user growth for the app. One thing to know, it currently says 275,000 users, and take note that it is currently the 20th of July. By the time this video comes out, which will be a few days from now, I would have easily passed the 300,000 user mark. And even if you look at the graph here, it only goes to Saturday, and based on the real time in the last 30 minutes, I'll definitely get around 20,000 users today, which will take me very close to 300,000 mark. I just wanted to clear that up just to be transparent before we continue. So in the last user growth breakdown in my previous video, I showed you up until Friday, which is the 4th of July. And since then, we've gone ahead and beat our all-time peak in terms of users daily. I implemented one very important strategy along with some micro strategies to allow this to happen. So keep watching carefully, and I'm going to break it down for you in the easiest way to understand. And this will definitely help you grow your app and also sustain your growth as well. So just to highlight, the peak in terms of users is 22,400 up until very recently, because now if we go to yesterday, we had 23,000.2k users, which is the all-time peak in terms of users, and the daily growth is starting to also grow as well. We have 18,000, we have 18,000.2. There are some small dips down to 14,000, but I'd much rather these dips compared to 9,000 and 10,000 over here. So overall, I've made a conscious effort to not only sustain the growth, but make the low and high days way higher in terms of user count. Now onto the important part, what strategies did I actually use to make this happen? Now I'm going to start with the micro strategies, and then I'm going to go on to the bigger strategy, and that strategy completely changed the game when it came to getting users onto the app and actually growing the app. So firstly, pretty simple, I continue outreaching to people, and I started to refine my approach based on what I predicted the user behavior to be in the conversation. I've had so many of these conversations to the point where I can start to understand how this user is starting to perceive my offer, especially when it comes to certain niches, because different users in different niches behave in different ways. You can't treat every conversation the same way if you're going in one niche to another. Although the benefit you're selling them is the same, it looks different and it appears different to different users based on the niche. I can touch on that more in a founders video. If you won't, just let me know in the comments. Now the second micro strategy is the impact of something that I was doing, and the impact I'm referring to is a roll-on effect where users that I haven't personally reached out to are starting to leverage their traffic through the app. Now the reason why this is happening is just through word of mouth, and also other users are stumbling across the actual app being used by certain users. And all this is creating a roll-on effect, which is contributing to the user growth you're seeing. Now, thirdly, and most importantly, the most vital strategy I used to go ahead and scale the app faster and better is simply follow-up sequences when it comes to outreach. Now, it sounds super simple, but I'm going to walk you through something that's going to really nail down why this is important. When you initially reach out to a user, regardless if your app is the best app in the world, there's other external factors that impact the user's perception or behavior when it comes to the conversation. Now, not all external factors are going to be equal in every conversation you have. Therefore, a light follow-up sequence are found to be the best way to convert users. Let's say you send your first message, you don't get a reply. Simply follow up and reiterate the benefit in the next message, wait a few more days, and then follow up again. This strategy I've been using to follow up on users I've reached out to converts me a lot more users simply because I'm being patient with them and I'm showing them the benefit tangibly within one sentence. So let's say they see the DM again get bumped, they read it and think, oh, okay, do you know what, this might be something I want to use, even if they ignore the first 2 messages I sent. It sounds super simple, but if you follow this strategy when you're growing your app, trust me, you're going to convert a lot more users. Now I'm going to break down how I built the founders website and the resource library literally within a few hours, and how I'm bringing people into the community to get access to resources for free where you can also join too.
I've basically used trying to a random room in the villa we're renting to go ahead and record this video. So I'm going to show you exactly what I built, and by the way, the link for this is down below. And once again, it's completely free. So we have a simple landing page founders, and there's a video of me explaining everything. As you scroll down, you have a simple CTA, very simple. Then if you go to the /resources page, you're going to see this. And currently there's only one video on there, how to cold DM people to get them on your app the right way. And as you can tell, this is a very long video breaking down exactly how you should break down your messages, as well as the psychology that goes into bringing users onto your app, and how you can basically make it like a no-brainer situation for them. So let's say I wanted to access this, I would simply click it, and it will take you here, access required, continue with Discord, and this is a Discord off. So what this will then do is go to Discord, mind the internet speed. I'm currently on my hotspot on my phone because the Wi-Fi in here isn't great, but give this a second. Okay, then the Discord off screen is going to come up. It's very simply, it's going to ask for access to your Discord account. You click authorize, and as you can see, it was checking access, and now you have access to the resource. Very simple. You go ahead and click the video, and you will get access to it to go ahead and understand how to call DM people the right way. As I said previously, this video is quite long. It breaks down how each sentence really converts to the user, and how you can guarantee you get people onto your app. Once again, it's live in the Founders Discord down below.
Just before we go ahead and wrap up today's video, I did just drop an exclusive resource within the Founders community. The exact community you just watched me break down, and how I built the website and the resource library. Now this resource is crazy important. Had I have had this when I started my journey, I would have been able to find profitable ideas to build apps about way easier. I've dropped it for completely free. All you need to do is join at the link down below. It's completely free once again, and I'll see you in there.